Namaskar. Today I am going to share legal updates of 4th October. A Delhi family court judge has granted divorce to Indian cricketer Shikhar Dhawan on grounds of cruelty by wife. The Supreme Court, while hearing a plea, observed that while exercising powers under Section 167 of Criminal Procedure Code of 1973, a court has foremost duty to ensure and verify that the arrest made is valid and lawful as per the requirements of Section 19 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002. The Supreme Court, while hearing a plea of Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, asked Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju that why a political party which is an alleged beneficiary is not made an accused in a case under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The Bombay High Court has took suo motu cognizance of deaths in government hospital in Nanded and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar district of Maharashtra and said that deaths due to shortage of staff, medicines cannot go on. In Kerala, a life convict's wife has filed a petition before Kerala High Court seeking her husband's parole so that he could complete a procedure to have a child through IVF. The Kerala High Court has allowed the parole and said that he has every right to have a decent life. A Karnataka High Court has admitted a plea of X Corp, which was formerly Twitter, against the single judge's dismissal of its challenge to account blocking orders issued by the union government. The Kolkata High Court has allowed the petitions filed by representatives of Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal to hold a Shaurya Jagran Yatra, which would enlighten the people of West Bengal about the sacrifices made by freedom fighters. The Gujarat High Court has framed contempt charges against the 4 policemen accused of publicly flogging Muslim men on account of alleged violations of guidelines in a famous landmark judgment in criminal jurisprudence, D.K. Basu vs. State of West Bengal. The Karnataka High Court has dismissed a petition filed by married daughter of deceased LIC employee seeking compassionate appointment under Scheme for Compassionate Appointment. Supreme Court has heard the arguments and reserved its judgment in a plea challenging the system of designating advocates as senior under Section 16 and Clause 5 of 23 of the Advocates Act of 1961. The petition was moved by Advocate Matthew Nedumpara, who argued that such designation has created a class of advocates with special rights, and the same has been seen as reserved only for kith and kin of the judges, senior advocates, politicians, ministers, etc., resulting in the legal industry being monopolized. Journalists across the country led a protest against Delhi police's arrest of director of news portal named NewsClick in a case under Anti-Terror Law Prevention of Unlawful Activities Act of 1967. Also, prominent media groups have penned a letter to Chief Justice of India to take cognizance and intervene in the matter. That's it for today. Subscribe, comment, share the video and stay tuned to get more legal updates on my channel Legally Illegal. Dhanyavad.